channel. So we've got another thrift again. So we've got another thrifting gadgets right here. So I am thrifting again in the nearest thrift store here in the place that I'm living. Right. So yeah, here it goes, guys. So let's go. Gonna start it up, doing it up. Okay. So I've got right here. Okay. So yes, I've got right here is battery charger. It comes with a dozens of rechargeable battery. Okay, so I'm gonna have to open this up and let's check how many rechargeable batteries this have, right? Okay, yeah, a bunch of rechargeable batteries with a charger, so no need to buy any more disposable batteries, right? So yeah, this is is to save up money to buy disposable batteries. Okay, so I hope that this is ready to plug, right? So, and it's also, yeah, it is so cheap, right? Price for $10. Yeah, not bad, right? Here it goes. Oh, okay, here it goes. So yeah, it is ready to plug, right? So yeah, there is a plug on it right over there. So ready to plug. So how many batteries it has? Okay, how many batteries? So I'm gonna have to check all the batteries. So I think most of these rechargeable batteries are AA. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. Okay, this is so good. 5, 6, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my god, 11. Okay, I've got the 11. Okay, 11 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15, and then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh my god, okay. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, 23. And then last 5, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20, 28 rechargeable batteries right over here. Holy smoke. Yeah, and then also we've got right here is the, is the charger, right? So yeah, and it's still working, right? So it is still working. So I'm gonna have to show you the battery, right? So I'm gonna have to show you the batteries, okay, in the B-roll. Okay, so I'm gonna have to show to you the battery in the B-roll, right? So okay, all right, so here it goes. Yeah, here are the batteries, right? So here are the batteries that you see. So bunch of batteries, 20, I think 20 plus batteries, right? So 20 plus rechargeable batteries with this one, right? With this one right here. Yeah, it's a great bargain. Okay, yes, yeah, right, it's a great bargain, right? So yeah, I just take it. Is because sometimes the item that you are saving it up and then gonna have to turn back to buy it. This is nothing yeah, like that. So yeah, there's not in there anymore. It's because someone bought it, right? So yeah, that's why I have to grab it. So it's because it is so useful to me, this kind of tech. Is because sometimes I also have some gadgets that supports a battery operated, right? So that is why I have to buy it, right? It's because I think I have a CD Walkman that which supports 2AA, right? So and it's also I have a Walkman also, and also I have a speaker, and then a flashlight that is needed a battery, right? So yeah, this is what is a really good. So yeah, it is a bunch of batteries, rechargeable batteries with and it comes up with a charger. Okay, so next up, okay. So next up right here is also gonna grab this also, since I really wanted to have this one, right? So I've got this emergency weather radio, right? So with AM and FM and also some weather bands, right? So yeah, grab it. Gonna grab it for 10. Okay, again for 10. So I'm gonna have to open this up. So okay, I'm gonna have to unbox this. So it's still on the box. Okay, it's still on the box. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, gonna have to, because if you don't want to use, and if you don't want to use your Amazon device, right? So this is a manual. So this is okay, this is a manual. All right, a manual weather device. Okay, let's go check it out. So yeah, here it goes, and we've got a dynamo also. So this is also powered by dynamo and also powered by battery. All right, so yeah, I can use this one also. I can use the battery also, right? Wherever I want to. Yeah, what really great one, right? Really great. So yeah, I don't have to worry about it. So right, so I don't have to worry about it. So there is already battery operated, but also only one channel with phones. Okay, I don't know what is that. Yeah. Yeah, okay, it comes with the earphones also if you want to use the earphones, right? So we're gonna have to take off the earphones. Yeah, let's check if it's gonna work, right? So, and then you just have to look like that, and then, yeah, look at that, yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go, and then. And it's already tuning. So I don't know if it's gonna be gonna use the dynamo. Okay, we got the yeah. So let's get over to the weather, right? Okay. Oh, okay, it turned off. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use a double A battery. So let's go. Gonna have to check it out. So, but it's already working, right? So yeah, gonna have to use a battery on it for me to, right? For me, yeah, for me to use the weather, right? So yeah, weather band. So yes, I really wanted to have a weather radio, right? So yes, it's because sometimes I don't want to rely on Amazon also, right? Amazon A, right? So the last one is this one right over here, which is the greatest bargain of all time. Okay, so I have this what is it, audio box, portable DVD player with screen already. It also has a screen on it, so I'm gonna have to open it up. So let's go. Gonna have to check it out. Let's go. I'm gonna have to check it out. And then where's that? Okay, I'm gonna have to. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Okay, open this so that we can. So that we can check it out. Okay, so that we can check it out. Okay, and then there you go. So it is you have to plug this one into the wall outlet so that you can use this one. Okay, here it goes. We've got the power supply right over here, and also we've got this DVD. All right, now, right, okay, yes, nice. Okay, we've got the stand right over here also. I'm gonna have to oops, okay, gonna have, yeah, the stand is okay, then okay. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to put this on I have a stand for my tablet. So yeah, okay. So let's gonna check some functions right over here. So I saw something right here. We've got the DC. Okay, this one right here is the DC, right? Okay, and then also we've got the what is this one? On and off IRT. So I don't know what is IRT, right? So, and then also we got the AV in and out, and also the game port. Okay, yeah, there's an HDMI right over here. There's an HDMI. Look at that, yeah. And then also this one right here is the video in and out if you want to connect into your TV, and also the audio in and out, and also the headphones, right? So let's go, gonna have to let's go, gonna have to turn this on, and then let's try it out if it's gonna be working. Okay, and so already, yeah, you can see that. So it's already working. So I'm gonna have to put some DVD, and let's go, gonna have to check it out, right? Okay, so you cannot make a video if you don't want to take a sample, right? So okay, I'm gonna get over here, and then oh, there you go. So there's no remote, right? There's no remote. So the movie is the X-Men Apocalypse. So there's no remote. Yeah. Ooh, oh my God. Wow. I didn't expect this one. So where's the volume? Okay, this one. Yeah. There you go. Wow, no, yes. Oh, this is also good. Yes, I really love it. This one, so I can bring this up anywhere if I want, right? So and also, so since there is also a headphone jack, you can use a headphone jack, right? So and you can use also play pause. I'm gonna have to pause. Gonna have to pause for a while. Okay, so this one right, a headphone jack right over here, in which you can put some airfly on it, right? So yes, this is a really bargain for me, right? So this is a once in a lifetime that I have this one. So I already have two DVD portables, and also I think this one is gonna be the greatest of all time, right? When I saw this one, yes, I must grab it. So since no one's interested, and also I'm also into the retro kind. I'm a retro person, old school person. Yeah, why not, right? So this is the greatest bargain of all time, right? So let's go. I think I'm gonna have to make a stand for this one, right? So that I can turn it into a tabletop mode, right? So perfect. Okay, and okay, I'm gonna have to stop. Okay, so stop. So how to? I think okay. There's a eject. Okay. Okay. Okay, the DVD is not ejecting. Okay. Oh, okay. I need to long press it to eject. Okay, since there is an HDMI, so I'm gonna have to try out my Nintendo Switch if it's gonna be working. All right. So okay. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to use my Nintendo Switch one. Okay. So okay, when I tried this one, so it is big, right? So I think it needs a smaller one. Okay, I think it needs a smaller one. So I think it needs a mini HDMI. I think it's a mini HDMI. So I'm gonna have to try my another mini HDMI if it's gonna be working. Okay. So okay, I'm gonna have to try this one. So I think it's a smaller one. So I think I'm gonna have to. Okay. Oh, okay. It is still not working, right? It's still not working. So um, where can I find HDMI game port, right? So I think I'm gonna have to find that on eBay, right? So I'm gonna have to find that on eBay. Yeah. So since it is not working, so I'm gonna have to find some HDMI game port, right? I'm gonna have to find an HDMI game port. So what else can I do for this one? So I think, yeah. So I can also connect this into a TV, right? So, but yeah, I think that will be good for the day, right? So yeah, perfect. And a really good one, right? So okay. So alright, yeah. That is awesome, yeah, and also I didn't expect that to also. Yeah, it is working, right? So yeah, and also I can bring this up anywhere if I want to, right? So yeah, watching movies. But but one thing is the HDMI port is because it is so small, right? So I think I'm gonna have to find something. I think I'm gonna have to find an HDMI game port. Yeah, the smaller one. So yeah, I wanna show you again. I wanna show to you again. Yeah, that one right there. Yeah, it is a smaller one, right? It is a smaller. So not a typical HDMI right there. So I'm gonna have to find an HDMI game port, right? So just for me to connect my Nintendo Switch and PlayStation if it's gonna be working, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna have to make a separate video for that one. Okay, I'm gonna make a separate video for it, right? This is perfect, and yeah, really love it. So one thing is also the stand, okay, and which is no, right, this one right over here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it is, yeah, gonna have, yeah, so it's broken. Yeah, it's broken. No hinges, okay. That's gonna be the problem, right? So I think I'm gonna have to make stand right over there. If I can make a DIY stand for this one, right? So, and also if I can put this on I forgot a stand for, you know a stand, I forgot what is that. Okay, a stand for a stand for tablet or a phone, right? But it is too big. It is too big to put this in a tablet stand. So yeah, but yes, grab it for the first time ever. So got this one right over here, and also the one thing also is the also right over here is the weather radio, right? This is the weather radio, and also the what is this called? Is the charger, a charger, and a bunch of rechargeable batteries, right? For me to use this one also, right? For battery operated. Yeah, that will be good. Okay, so yes. Alright, I think that's it for today's vlog, and also I hope you like it and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned is I will be making more of vlogs, okay, here in my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.